Today, you will learn how to shop at a supermarket and sound normal, not stiff.
Good. I always feel slow in supermarkets.
Then let us start fast. You walk in, first thing you see, the cart.
The cart, the thing I push?
Yes, a cart is the big basket on wheels. You can say, I need a cart.
I need a cart.
Good. Now you walk between shelves. That space is called an aisle.
Aisle, like the long path with food on both sides.
Exactly. So you can ask, which aisle is the milk in?
Which aisle is the milk in?
Nice. Another common line, the milk is in aisle 5.
The milk is in aisle 5.
Now you finish shopping, you go to checkout.
Checkout is where I pay, right?
Yes, you can say, I am ready for checkout.
I am ready for checkout.
Or when it is busy, this checkout is full.
This checkout is full. That feels very real.
Good. Quick run, no thinking.
I need a cart. Which aisle is the milk in? The milk is in aisle 5. I am ready for checkout.
Perfect. Hold on. This is where small talk starts, and people usually mess it up.
Okay, this is the part where I usually stop people and feel awkward.
Good. Do it anyway. You need help now.
I look for an employee. Excuse me, do you work here?
Nice. The word employee means store staff, people who work here.
Okay, so I say, excuse me, do you work here?
Yes, now the problem. The shelf is empty.
The milk is not here.
Then you say, sorry, is this out of stock?
Out of stock, meaning there is no more.
Yes, no more items. So, is this out of stock?
Is this out of stock?
Good. Now money. You check the price.
Price is how much it costs.
Right. You can say, what is the price of this?
What is the price of this?
Or, when you want cheaper, is there a discount?
Discount, lower price. Is there a discount?
Exactly. Now, last step. You pay and wait.
I stand in line.
Yes, line means people waiting. You can say, this line is long.
This line is long. Very true.
After you pay, you get a receipt.
Receipt is the paper with the price list.
Yes, so you say, can I have the receipt, please?
Can I have the receipt, please?
Good. Fast run, no thinking.
Excuse me, do you work here? Is this out of stock? What is the price of this? Is there a discount? Can I have the receipt, please?
Nice, but the real test is talking at checkout. That is where people freeze.
All right. Checkout always feels rushed. People are waiting behind me.
That is normal. Just talk like you do in real life.
Hi. That is all.
Good. The cashier looks at your items and asks about a bag.
Right. I can say, I do not need a bag.
Yes, or if you want one, I need a bag, please.
I need a bag, please.
Now payment. This is very common language.
I pay by card.
Good. Sometimes it does not work. Then you say,
Sorry, there is a problem with my card.
perfect. Problem means something is not working.
Okay. Then I wait a second and say, just a moment.
Exactly. Payment done.
Thank you.
That is it. No stress. Just normal talk.
Hi, I am ready to pay.
Okay. Is that all?
Yes, that is all.
Do you need a bag?
Yes, I need one bag, please.
All right. Cash or card?
I will pay by card.
Okay. Please tap your card here.
Sorry, 1 second.
No problem.
All right, it worked.
Great. Would you like the receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.
Okay. Now imagine this again. Same checkout, same lines, but this time something goes wrong.
All right. Same checkout. But this time, Something goes wrong. My card does not work.
Okay, you can try again.
Sorry about that. Let me try one more time.
No problem. Take your time.
It still does not work.
All right, that happens sometimes.
Okay, then I will pay in cash.
That is fine. The total is $23.
23. Here you go.
Thank you. Let me check.
Sorry about the wait. The line is long.
It is okay. You are doing fine.
Thanks.
Here's your change.
All right. Yes, that is correct.
Would you like the receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Okay, let us do it once more, faster. No thinking. Hi, that is all.
Cash or card?
I will pay by card.
All right, please tap here.
Sorry, it does not work.
No problem.
I will pay in cash.
Okay,
Here you go.
thank you. Here's your receipt.
Thanks. Have a good day.
See? Same supermarket, same situation, just normal language.
Yeah, it feels natural now.
If you watched this till the end, thank you for staying with us.
We hope this sounded like real life to you.
Try one or two of these lines next time you shop.
That is more than enough.
All right, see you next time.
Bye for now.